Hello learners, today we will learn the question answers of the poem The Road Not Taken. In this video we will discuss English workshop question answers, margin question answers and appreciation of poem. Let's start. Read the poem again. Does it have a uniform rhyme scheme throughout? Write down the rhyme scheme of every stanza separately. Let us read the poem. First stanza. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. Wood and both, they do not rhyme, so we will name it as A, and here we will name it as B. Third line, and be one traveler long I stood. Stood doesn't rhyme with both, but stood and would rhymes. So we will name this as A. Fourth line, and looked down one as far as I could. Now could rhymes with stood as well as would. So we will name it as A. Fifth line, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Undergrowth doesn't rhyme with could, stood or would. Undergrowth rhymes with both. Both is named as B, so we will write here B. So what is the rhyme scheme of first stanza? A, B, A, B. So the rhyme scheme of first stanza is A, B, A, B. Second stanza A, B, A, B. Same as first stanza. Third stanza also A, B, A, B. Fourth stanza also A, B, A, B. So all the stanzas, they have a uniform rhyme scheme. Write the symbols that are used in the poem to represent the following ideas. Let us find out the answer. Choice of two options. Answer is two roads diverged. B. I made a rare choice. Answer is I took the one less travelled by. C. Equally good options. Answer is just as fair. D. It was tempting and needed to be tried. Answer is it was grassy and wanted wear. E. Some other time. Answer is another day. Question. Rearrange the following facts in the proper order and fill in the flowchart. 5 facts given, 5 sentences. Let us arrange them in the flowchart. The traveller came to a fork in the road. He observed one as far as he could. He chooses the one barely travelled. He planned to travel along the previous one some other time. Choosing the lesser used road has made a great difference. In which season does a green wood turn to a yellow wood? Which stage in our life can be compared to that season? Answer. A green wood turns to a yellow wood in autumn. The stage in our life that can be compared to that season is middle age. Why does the traveller choose the road less travelled? What attribute of the traveller does it bring out? The traveller chooses the road less travelled because it seemed just as good as the other one and he felt it needed to be used. The traveller seems to be adventurous. He has an independent mind and does not want to follow what others have done. Why does the traveler doubt that he shall ever come back? The traveler feels that he will be so busy in his life that one thing leading to another that he may not be ever able to come back. If you were in the traveler's place, which road would you choose? Justify your choice. If I were in the traveler's place, I would choose the road that was more traveled. I would not want to go on a strange road which many have not traveled by. I am not adventurous. I feel that there is safety in doing what others are doing or have done. This is a personal response question, so the answer may vary. From any collection of classic poetry or the internet, find another famous poem by Robert Frost titled Stopping by the Woods on a Snowy Evening. Try to understand the symbolism used in that poem in 8 to 10 lines. You can take this question as a project. Collect quotations on the topic choice. Answer: decisions are the hardest thing to make, especially when it is a choice between where you should be and where you want to be. One quotation is given to you, you can find out more. Why does the poet feel sorry? The poet feels sorry that he cannot travel along both the roads at the same time. Did the poet choose the road quickly? No, the poet did not choose the road quickly. He stood for a long time at the fork before he took a decision. Was one of the roads better than the other? No, both were equally good. Write a letter to your friend or cousin telling him or her about a difficult choice you have recently made. Tell your friend or cousin how his or her example helped you to take a decision. Letter writing is given to you. You can write in your notebook. Appreciation of the poem. The famous poem The Road Not Taken is written by the well-known poet Robert Frost. The rhyme scheme of the poem is A-B, A-A-B. One of the figures of speech used in the poem is alliteration, as seen in the line, though, as for, that the passing there, where the sound of the letter T is repeated. Another figure of speech used is inversion. The poem is about the journey of life and the choices a person makes when faced with two different paths. The poet realizes that he cannot travel both roads, so he chooses the one that is less traveled, and this decision makes a significant difference in his life. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.